Hey, what's up guys, it's Sam from BSG Tech with another short video, and today's short video is about how to make custom ringtones for your iDevice, whether it's an iPhone or an iPad. Without wasting time, let's jump into the video. All you need is an app called 3U Tools from their website. You can download from 3u.com, and once downloaded for your Windows PC, you can open the app and connect your iPhone. As you can see on the small screen, that iPhone has the latest operating system 13.3.1, and on the ringtones section I'll show you that we have these downloaded ringtones which you can see on the list. Actually, just remember the names, and once you have connected your iPhone, you will be on this interface. Go on this section known as make ringtones, and from here you select either uh, select a multimedia file, music, video or voice memo to make a ringtone from your PC or your device. In this case we will pick this from the PC. We'll select a file known as number 2. I'll not play the file in the background because it will make a noise and you'll not be able to hear me, but for you it's absolutely fine. I don't want to mix the voice with this one, so you can set up a starting point and you can also set up an ending point as well, and then you can click generate ringtones. So automatically this section has already been selected. I will hit on generate ringtones just to make sure that I'm not mixing names with the previously installed ringtones. I'll put this as 2000, and then you can click import to your iDevice. That's it guys, and your ringtone will be added to your ringtones section on your sound and notification. So it might take few seconds, it might take a minute or so, but at this point you can definitely disconnect your phone from your device or computer and wait for the ringtone to appear. It might take few seconds, sometimes it's taking longer than enough. You can reconnect, and if you want to download another piece, a ringtone, you can do that, but it should be there anytime. So guys, that was the shortest video, and I hope you have enjoyed the video. And if you have any feedback or comments, you can leave in the comment section below and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon with another short video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Have a good day. Bye bye.